Today we're going to make these quick and easy paper shamrock crafts.
For today's craft, all you need is scissors, green paper, and some glue. Now, with my green paper, I have the long side left to right, short side top to bottom, and I am going to keep it that way because I want to make my longest strips this length. Now, the good thing is there's no right or wrong on the length. You're just going to have them in different sizes. So I'm going to start just by cutting strips of paper. If you need a ruler to draw a line, that works as well, because you want your strips to be about the same width. Now, in terms of width, it's about a finger, it's about 1 centimeter in width. If you make a wider shamrock, that also will be fine. You just want to make sure that all of your strips are the exact same. And I mean exact, I mean pretty close, doesn't have to be perfect. So here I have one strip. I am going to now cut out another one. And I'm going to repeat that. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out a bunch of strips that are about the same width. Now, I am going to end up with 3 to start that I want to be the same size and the biggest. So this is going to be the biggest part of my shamrock. Then I need ones that are a bit smaller. So I need 3 more, but these have to be smaller than my first set. So it doesn't really matter how much smaller, it depends how many shamrock rings you're going to make. So let me just show you. So here I made 1, 2, 3. If you want to make 4, then you need to just make sure that as you go and make yours smaller and smaller, that you have enough, if that makes sense, hopefully. So here I have 3. I'm going to take 3 more. I'm going to put them together, and I want to cut off some of the ends of those. And let's just guess. I'm going to guess, let's go 3 fingers wide here that I'm going to cut off. So now you can see I've got the 3 large. I have 3 medium. And for my smaller ones here, I am going to go to probably another 3 finger spaces from here. I thought this would be enough because I could just fold them over, so I wouldn't need an extra strip. So you could actually just fold these over and make them even smaller, which maybe I will do. Or you could just say, you know what, nope, whoops, made a mistake. I'm gonna cut another strip here. So let's do that. Let's just cut another strip. You do what you need to do depending on how long yours are. And we're gonna make these shorter again. No perfect right or wrong here. Just make sure it's shorter than this middle one. So this middle one goes to here. I'm gonna go about 3 finger spaces lower. So I'm gonna go about here. There we go. And you still have some left over. You could actually use these to make a 4th. 3 finger spaces. I'm just going to cut some of that. And there you go. You could have 4 sets. So here, remember I had 1, 2, 3. Here we could do 1, 2, 3, 4. You get to decide. So what you just want to make sure is that you have 3 in every size. So 3 in this size, 3 in this size, 3 in this size, 3 in this size. And then I'm going to show you how to get it going. So the first thing I want to do is start with my smallest one. I'm going to take my glue, put a little bit of glue on one end, take the other end and just loop it over, or fold it over, I guess, without pushing down on this side, because you want that to be nice and round. So there's one. Whoops. And you're going to do it with the next one. There you go. There's 2. They'll be about the same. And the third one. Now, once you have the first 3 done, the next part is taking the next strip, the next size, And this time you're going to put glue on the end, and you're going to glue it to one of the other pieces. So here I've just glued it right to this side. Then you're going to put glue right at the other side, and you're going to fold that over, push your fingers down and glue that. There you go. And you take the next one and you do the same thing. So here I just put a little bit of glue on this end. I glue that so it matches up. I'm going to turn it over, put glue on the other side, fold this over, and glue that down. And you guessed it, you're going to do it again. Now you have a process here. You've got your 3. You just go to the next 3 and you follow that exact same procedure. You do it again with the last set. So go ahead. If you have 3 different strips, you can get those done. If you have 4, get those done. If you have 5, go ahead and do that. And then when you're all done, I will explain how to put them all together. Okay, once you are done, then all we're going to do is glue these together. So I'm going to take one and I'm going to put quite a bit of glue on the bottom here so that they stick together. So they're fairly thick, and I'm going to push those 2 bottoms together and hold it tight so that it stays. Then I'm going to do that on the other side here. Quite a bit of glue there. Take this one, stick it right to the bottom there. Whoops. And hold that together. A little bit of glue sticking out there. Hold, 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 hold. And I'm just going to hold that together so that it stays, and then take my finger and just pull them down. Like I'm not gluing anything, I'm just pulling, taking my finger here in this middle small circle and just pushing it down a little bit, pulling it, pushing. So what I mean is pull down and then push towards my finger here. And that just gives it a little bit of movement down so it looks more like a shamrock. So my finger goes in this little one, I pull down and then just push towards my finger here. So here I'm putting this finger in, I'm pulling down and pushing towards the inside here. Just fiddling with it until it looks like a shamrock. And there you go. Now you know how to make them. You can make them in different sizes and different varieties in terms of how many loops you use. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.